In The Accidental YouTuber, embark on a journey with Peter as he shares his roller coaster ride from orphan to YouTube success. With a blend of candid storytelling and actionable insights, this book unveils the secrets behind creating engaging content, growing a loyal audience, and monetizing your passion onto the world's largest video platform. Through relatable anecdotes and practical advice, Peter reveals the challenges and triumphs of navigating the ever-evolving YouTube landscape and insider tips on leveraging YouTube's monetization tools to generate a sustainable income. Whether you're a budding YouTuber looking to turn your passion into a profitable venture, or an experienced content creator seeking fresh perspectives, The Accidental YouTuber is your roadmap to unlocking the full potential of YouTube and building a successful online presence.